I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best loaded fries. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making loaded fries. These fries will have toppings of crispy chicken, smashed beef, 2 different sauces. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First, we're gonna start with a simple seasoning that we can use for our fries, our smashed patties. Here we've got smoked paprika, mushroom powder, which is optional, our garlic powder. For some extra flavor, I'm using a coarsely grounded coriander seeds. They have a beautiful aroma. You know, always try to use in your seasoning. Add some heat, use a bit of cayenne pepper. A little bit of MSG won't hurt, trust me. Freshly cracked black pepper, truffle salt, or you can use sea salt instead. A really good mix to that and set aside for later use. Of course, we're gonna use some of the veggies to cut through different flavors. Using a half a red onion, you want to roughly chop it. Half a red bell pepper, again roughly chop this. Some of this preserved lemon for more added flavor, you know, adds a bit of tanginess to it as well. And finally some jalapenos, again they are totally optional, you want to roughly chop them. For our chicken fillet, I'm using a breast. You want to remove all the excess fat, make sure it's nice and clean. If the breast is large like this one, then you want to slice it into 2 pieces, alright? Place your hand on the breast and let the knife do the work. You can slice it into 2 or 3 pieces, so something like that you're looking for. Now season generously from both sides with some of the seasoning that we made. Perfect! Now remove the fillets onto a plate and wash this both straight away. For the dredging with a plain flour, keep it simple. Just season it with some of the chicken seasoning, fresh black pepper, and salt. Good mix to that and set aside. Now let's prep our chipotle, garlic and chili mayonnaise. It's gonna go perfect with our loaded fries. In with the red chili paste, good touch of that. In with the chipotle paste. For more depth of flavor, I'm using a chipotle oil. You can skip this if you don't have it. And with a fresh paste of garlic. Use more or less garlic depending on how you like it. And with our mayonnaise. And with the smoked paprika, freshly cracked black pepper, good pinch of salt, a little bit of the honey or sugar to balance everything. And finally some of this pickle juice. Give that a really good mix. Oh, it smells really good. Make sure everything is nicely emulsified. Have a little taste of the sauce. That's perfect. Our mouth-watering chipotle garlic chili mayonnaise done. For a quick cheese sauce, in with the evaporated milk. With these American cheese slices. A little bit of the seasoning that we made. Good pinch of salt. And some of the pickle juice from jalapenos. You can also mix in some of the cheddar cheese into that if you like. Now you just want to melt everything and let this simmer for a few minutes. While it's cooking, make sure you keep stirring it. Nothing should stick to the pan. Clean the sides as well, of course. Alright, so the cheese sauce is ready. If it's still runny, don't worry. As it cools down, it will thicken. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. A quick cheese sauce for our loaded fries. Done. Now let's cook our smashed beef patty. Grab yourself an iron skillet, spray with a good touch of oil. The heat is on medium. When nice and hot with your beef. And now we're gonna smash this. Bismillah. That's beautifully smashed. Let's slowly remove this. Add a good touch of our seasoning. Just on the top, yeah? Amazing. Give it around 2 minutes and then we're gonna flip this. Bismillah. Add some of our onions, peppers, jalapenos and the preserved lemon. Give it around a minute and then we're gonna chop up everything. Of course, a little bit more seasoning. Beautiful. Light touch of oil. And we are ready to chop this. Make sure to keep it nice and rough. You don't want it too fine, alright? We're just gonna let those veggies saute for a minute or so. And then just remove it onto a plate. If your fries are ready, just remove it straight onto the fries. Otherwise, just remove it onto a plate for now. Alright, let's cook the chicken now. The chicken is obviously at room temperature. Here we got some cold tap water and our dredge, of course. First, the chicken goes into the flour and we're gonna coat this properly. Now this goes into the water. Keep it there for a few seconds until the flour gets wet. This goes back into the flour. Good mix to that. Now if you guys want, you can double coat this, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Shake off the excess again into the water. Slowly grab that, and this goes back into the flour. A really good mix to that now. And coat that chicken properly. We're not looking for perfection here, just want to ensure the chicken is properly coated from all sides. Or so something like that you're looking for. And this goes straight into the hot oil. All temperatures around 160 Celsius, which is roughly around 320 Fahrenheit. Always away from you. So we're gonna let the chicken cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius. Just make sure the oil is nice and hot. We want the chicken to stay nice and crispy. You guys already know whenever you add something into the hot oil, the temperature goes down. So it's always good to manage the temperature and always keep checking it. Oh, these loaded fries are gonna be so delicious. Alright, so the chicken is nice and crispy now. And we have a beautiful golden brown color. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now just drain off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. Now grab yourself a bowl and add in the natural hot seasoning. The recipe is on the channel for this. And now you want to add in some of the hot oil. You don't want to burn the spices, alright? And now we can brush the chicken with some of this hot oil. Chicken goes onto there, still nice and crispy as you can see. Natural hot seasoning onto that. You can do both sides or just one side, you know. It's really up to you. That looks perfect. Now let's chop up the chicken for our loaded fries. For the fries, I'm using skin on fries into the hot oil. Let this cook until they're nice and crispy golden. So the fries are done, now remove it into a bowl. Immediately season it with a good touch of salt and your seasoning. Perfectly seasoned fries, done. They look so good. Alright guys, let's plate up our loaded fries. I'm so excited for this. First of all, what chipotle garlic chili sauce goes onto that, at the fries. And now we're gonna add in our smashed patty with the amazing onion, peppers, jalapenos. Oh, look at that. Now generous amount of cheese sauce goes on the top. Oh, that looks so delicious. A little bit more fries on the top. And now carefully add your chicken. That looks so mouth-watering. Finally a bit more cheese sauce on the top. And some of our chipotle garlic chili. Oh, that looks so delicious. You guys gonna absolutely love this. Our amazing loaded fries with crispy chicken, smashed beef and sauce, done. For a quick lemonade with the zest of lemon. Juice of fresh lemon as well. Few raspberries. Some of the squash of lemon with the ice, and finally some of the soda water. A refreshing quick lemonade with a hint of lemon zest, done. Will be perfect with these loaded fries, you know, just freshens you up a bit.
Flawless victory.
Alright guys, let's try our loaded fries to look amazing. Alright, let's try it. Let's get some of the beef and chicken together. Bismillah. Wow, just needs a bit more sauce onto that. Wow, these are so delicious. So mouth-watering, packed with so much flavor. Everything is cooked to perfection, you know. The chicken, the beef, the sauces complement each other so well. Oh, that was so delicious. You guys gonna really enjoy with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.